నమస్తే. తెలుగులో చేసిన తక్కువ సినిమాలైనా తనకంటూ ఒక ప్రత్యేక గుర్తింపు తెచ్చుకున్నారు హీరోయిన్ అదా శర్మ. చాలా కాలం తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఒక కొత్త కాన్సెప్ట్తో మన ముందుకు రాబోతున్నారు. ఒక కొత్త సినిమాతో మన ముందుకు రాబోతున్నారు. క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ అనే డిఫరెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్తో అదా శర్మ మన ముందుకు రాబోతున్నారు. సో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ విశేషాలు ఏంటి, ఈ సినిమా ఎలా ఉండబోతోంది, ఆవిడతోటే మాట్లాడదాం. హాయ్ అదా, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Good, how are you?
ఐఎమ్ గుడ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. ఆఫ్టర్ ఎ లాంగ్ టైమ్,
Yes.
what is this new avatar?
Every time I try to do a different avatar, so there's no new thing. It's just that I feel as an actor you should keep experimenting every time.
క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్
Yes,
నెక్స్ట్ మూవీ. అసలు టైటిలే క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ అని వస్తుంది.
yes.
సో వాట్ ఈస్ ఇట్? క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ అని ఎందుకు టైటిల్ పెట్టారు? వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ బిహైండ్ ఇట్ అండ్ మీ రోల్ ఏంటి?
I think it's a very different, chala different concept undi, and it's a new film that you're going to see in Telugu. So I think question mark the title goes very well with what
What
the
kind of
film is
genre
all
it is?
That's what question mark. You can't exactly put a title on the genre because it's scary, but it's not horror. There's no ghost,
Okay.
but it's very scary. There is a lot of thrill to it, but it's not a thriller. So question mark would be the perfect.
Okay, what kind of role you are playing? We watched you on
Yes.
on 1920
Yeah.
as a possessed woman.
Yes.
So what kind of role it is in this?
So when I knew I'm going to play another role in a scary film after 1920, I've not done anything that is scary. I did Commando, which was action, and in Telugu I've done Heart Attack and Kshanam, which do not belong to this genre. Atma, there is nothing like that, but it is still scary.
Okay.
But I think question mark for the genre would
Whose
be the
idea it
best.
was, like, without title, just a symbol of question mark?
My producer and directors, because when they told me the title, I said it's fantastic, you have to go ahead and you have to keep it. So yeah, I guess their idea, and I think it's a really superb idea because whoever I say that our film is called question mark, they're like, that's so cool, is that the title of the film? And yeah, I think it's really worked with people when we announced the first look, and there was a lot of excitement and curiosity around it.
ఏం మిమ్మల్ని బాగా ఎగ్జైట్ చేసిన ఎలిమెంట్ ఏంటి మూవీలో?
Chala elements undi. There's I think once you see the trailer you'll know what, but when our first poster also was launched, I think we're keeping a curiosity level with it. Today we launched a song which is a promotional video. It's not in the film, it's not like a montage song in the film or something. It's a promotional dance number. I don't know if you've watched it yet.
సో ఈ సాంగ్ గురించి చెప్పండి. అంటే ముందే అనుకున్నారా లేదంటే లేటర్ ఆన్ సాంగ్ పెట్టాలని అనుకున్నారు ప్రమోషనల్?
We had anyway decided because the film can't have a song in it. My directors didn't want to break into a narrative thing where you suddenly have a song popping up. So I think this was, they thought, but producers said we need to have one song that connects the movie to the audience. And nowadays all movies have like a promotional video. So this is that. I think Raghu Kunche has made like a really superb track, and it's a peppy, catchy number. You can play it in clubs and discotheques, and Shekhar Master has choreographed it, so we have like a hook step with the hair, and there's massy steps to it. There's a peppy beat. I think everyone, young and old, everyone's gonna really enjoy it.
డిఫరెంట్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ మీరు ట్రై చేస్తూ ఉంటారు.
Yes.
హార్ట్ అటాక్లో ఒక కైండ్ ఆఫ్ రోల్, క్షణంలో ఒక కైండ్ ఆఫ్ రోల్, అండ్ హసీతో ఫజీ అదొక రోల్, 1920 ఇట్ వాజ్ ఎ డిఫరెంట్ రోల్. సో వాట్ మేక్స్ యూ చూస్ దట్ రోల్స్?
I don't want to be slotted into one thing. I know heroines, either some girls are known as, she can play only village roles, or she can play only modern roles, or she can only be hot, or she can only be cute. I think girls get easily slotted, and the industry waits to like, okay, this one only for village roles, or this. So I want to be someone who does everything. I want to be able to do action also. I want to be able to do dance also. I should be able to do horror and comedy and everything. So with each movie I'm trying to push that a little, to push the boundaries a little, even if it is like a short film. Like I did the short film called Tinde, which won a film fair this year. So I'm trying with everything I do to push the boundaries a little and do something I've not done before.
I've watched your Soul Sathi.
Soul Sathi, yeah. So Soul Sathi was another thing that again I hadn't done before. I got to play a double role, and double role, not just usually double role is twins.
No.
So this was really nice because the double role is me only.
Yeah,
and
your soul is talking to you.
Yeah, one is my body and one is my soul. So that subtle difference. I was like, I want a nice, script that I get, because I feel my strongest forte is romance.
Okay.
But I've not got a chance to do too many romantic
ఫస్ట్
films.
నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు మీకంతా కొంచెం సీరియస్
Yeah,
రొమాంటిక్
no, not really.
హార్ట్ అటాక్ ఉంటుంది కానీ నాట్ దాట్ మచ్.
But still, Heart Attack was slightly, it was a romantic comedy. Commando is an action movie, but I had little bit of romance. So Soul Sathi is an out and out romantic comedy.
But it's a short film.
It's a short, but that's what I said. Now time I can't. Too bad, like 15 minutes or 3 hours or whatever, I don't know, but I'm trying with each film. My next film is a full feature film, which is called Man to Man. It's we've shot it in Hindi, but it's turned out really well, so we'll probably release it in multiple languages. So in that, it's a love story. It's a proper romantic comedy.
Okay.
A man falls in love with a woman and marries her, and after he gets married to her, he finds out she's
Typical
a man.
romantic comedy you're doing in it.
Yeah, but after he marries her, he finds out she's a man.
Oh,
So I play a man, but it's a
Okay.
proper romantic comedy with a lot of romance, and
so you have to act like a man in a woman's skin.
I have to be a man who was born in a woman's body.
That's what, yeah.
Actually, I had to be the most feminine that I ever have been. Like, my director told me to be very feminine in real life also. Maybe sometimes I'm not used to being so girly, so I had to be very feminine actually, because it's actually a girl who's trapped in a man's body who's externally, for me, I mean, you'll see a woman, but it's a very interesting thing. So I'm trying with each film to push, and I think Question Mark in Telugu is something that people will watch and really enjoy and feel like, okay, you know, Ada did something different.
Tell us about the making. ఈ కరోనా టైంలో చేశారు, లాక్డౌన్ టైంలో షూట్ చేశారు కదా, సో హౌ వాజ్ ద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, ఎట్లాంటి డిఫికల్టీస్ ఉండే?
I think we are the first Telugu film, and I was telling our producer, sir, that I don't even know if first Telugu, I think we're the first film in India maybe to have started and completed an entire film during Corona times, with it fully ready for release, with dubbing and special effects and VFX and everything done. So I'm very proud to have done that. A huge shout out to our entire crew, our team who was there on set, who was as daring as me to get out of the house and shoot in Corona time. Because honestly, everyone is active.
Yeah.
It is just how interesting someone is, so you think they are probably more active. And I feel happy to have been putting stuff that's interesting that people enjoy watching or looking at. Social media is something that no one is policing my social media, so no one tells me what to do, what not to do. Like in a film, a director would have a certain vision and say, maybe don't wear this or don't say that. But social media is something I can do whatever I want.
So you are your own director.
Yeah, only my mother can stop me, and she's somebody who doesn't. She's like, yes, do this also and do that also, do what you want. So I have full freedom, and I feel without being policed and with full freedom, I'm at my best.
బట్ చాలా మంది
So,
సెలబ్రిటీ సోషల్ మీడియాలో అంటే అంత యాక్టివ్గా ఉండడానికి భయపడతారు, లైక్ పోస్టింగ్ ద బోల్డ్ స్టఫ్ అండ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద థాట్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ పోస్ట్ చేయడానికి కొంచెం, ఎందుకంటే స్ట్రాల్ చేస్తారు,
Right.
నెగటివ్ కామెంట్స్ వస్తాయి.
Right.
హౌ డిడ్ యూ టేక్ దెమ్, హౌ డు యూ టేక్ దెమ్?
So I'm again one of those very fortunate actors who, even if you see on any page, if there's a picture of mine and if there's one troll comment or a negative comment, under that you'll see 200 comments saying, how can you say that to Ada Sharma? Don't you dare, how dare. So I have this whole army of people who are so supportive of me, who are so nice to me, and every time there's one negative comment also, they attack that negative comment. So I look at it like that.
బీ
like
కేర్ఫుల్. అదా శర్మకి నెగటివ్ కామెంట్ రాసే ముందు అదా శర్మకు ఒక ఆర్మీ ఉంది సోషల్ మీడియాలో. బీ కేర్ఫుల్.
Yeah, there is a whole, I mean, they're really supportive and really nice. I think even if I share something like a without makeup thing or something, I think people should see my sides when I'm fully glamorously dressed up or without. I like people to see everything. They should know I'm a real person who, you know.
మార్షల్ ఆర్ట్స్ కూడా చేసినట్టున్నారు ఈ మధ్యలో,
Yes.
కమాండో 3కి. వాట్ ఈస్
Yes.
ఇట్? అంటే డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంది కర్రతోటి.
So even in Question Mark movie, I told our producer, I showed him a video of what I could do, and I showed Shekhar Master also. So I told them I can do this, we can incorporate it in the song. And like I said, they're really cool, yeah. They were like, yeah, we should do this also. So I've added a little of it. It's called Silambam. It's a martial art from Kerala, which is, it's like a stick, and you use it as self-defense. But here we've used it in a dance, in a non-self-defense form. We've tried to use it
So
gracefully.
you learned it completely?
Yes, I did. I actually learned it for Commando 3, and because I really enjoyed doing it, I
So you know
continued.
it how to use it.
I definitely know how to use it. So if someone attacks me or I don't like someone, yeah.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. సో అదా మనకు ఒక ర్యాపిడ్ రౌండ్ ఉంది. ర్యాపిడ్
Alright.
రౌండ్లో ఐ ఆస్క్ సమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్, అండ్ దీంట్లోనే ఐ ఆస్క్ అబౌట్ ఎ హీరో
Okay.
who worked with you. You have to say something about him.
Okay.
Okay, first, love or money?
Love. Money will come, I guess.
Career or family?
Family, obviously.
Glamorized role or deglamorized role? Glamorized role with no performance Deglamorized role with performance. What would
In
you
this
choose?
movie, I got to do both, so I don't have to choose. I'll choose producers and
If
directors.
you have to.
I don't have to know. In question mark, I got to
Not
do
in question mark. I'm regularly in
deglamorous.
general asking.
Both I want, yeah. I'm an
Both.
actor. I'm very greedy.
Favorite actor in Telugu?
There are too many, yeah. I can't just choose
Name
one.
some, one or two.
You know, Brahmanandam, so I really enjoyed working with him. And I thought his comic timing was superb. I would like to achieve that level of comic timing.
Okay. In Hindi?
Nasruddin Shah, because he's very natural, and I watched him in a stage play, and he sat in one spot for 2 hours and had the audience hooked. No one took a breath, no one pulled out their phones and started scrolling.
మీరు యాక్ట్ చేసిన హీరోస్ నేమ్స్ చెప్తాను. అల్లు అర్జున్.
Oof, Twinkle Toes.
ఓకే. దట్స్ ఇట్?
Oh, one word, no?
No, one line.
One. Twinkle Toes, dancing sensation.
ఓకే. నితిన్.
Romantic hero, like the quintessential romantic hero.
అడ్విశేష్.
Ooh, intelligent and intelligence.
రాజశేఖర్.
Extremely funny. I think he has an awesome sense of humor.
అండ్ విద్యుత్ జమాల్.
Commando. Action star.
తెలుగు విషయానికి వచ్చినట్లే మీరు 2014లో మీ కెరియర్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఇట్స్ 2020. చాలా తక్కువ మూవీస్ చేశారు. ఇస్ దర్ ఎనీ రీజన్ లైక్ యూనో ఇంత టాలెంట్ ఉండి ఇంత యూనో గ్లామర్ ఉండి సో ఇంత తక్కువ మూవీస్ ఎందుకు? రీజన్ ఏంటి?
As far as, see, for me, I don't have any film connections. I don't know anyone in the industry. I'm somebody who doesn't party. I don't socialize. So for me, even getting so much work that I have right now, I think I'm really blessed and fortunate. I've met such really great people. I got to debut in a Puri Jagannath film. I'm getting such great roles. I'm getting to do so much stuff, and I'm getting to live my dream. So I don't know. But I also have a thing that I don't want to sign just any movie. So if I don't feel convinced about the script, even if it's a setup that commercially you would say you should do it, I sometimes say no. Because I want to do only stuff that I really believe I should do.
ఈ 6 yearsలో ఏమన్నా నేర్చుకున్నారంటే ఎనీ మిస్టేక్స్ ఎనీ లెసన్స్ లెర్న్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ మిస్టేక్స్? వాట్ కెన్ యూ సే యు నో వెన్ యూ లుక్ బ్యాక్?
Mistakes, no, I feel whenever I've followed my intuition, it's always been right. So I think I should always do that. My intuition has been 100% accurate every time.
Okay.
Even when I felt I shouldn't do something and I did it, my intuition has always been right to not. But I think all the stuff that you do, you kind of learn. Even the bad things that you do, they become memories. They teach you so many things.
Oh.
And you know what not to do next time. It's like, yeah, so I guess, you know, I won't be diplomatic and say I've never made any mistake. Of course, but I think those are nice, good. Sometimes you should do those things to learn what not to do. Sometimes you should play those roles that you shouldn't have, because then you can watch them again and be like, you know, oh my God, like never do that. So, yeah.
మీ ఇప్పటివరకు చేసిన రోల్స్లో బాగా నచ్చిన రోల్ ఏంటి?
In Telugu, I would have to say my debut, Heart Attack.
హార్ట్ అటాక్. ఓకే.
Because again, that's my favorite genre. I told you, romantic comedies. Kshanam also, I really I can't choose between Heart Attack and Kshanam, but if I had to choose, I would say Heart Attack, because it was my first
First
movie in
the
Telugu
genre you like.
and my favorite genre. Though Kshanam had a little romantic comedy in the past
Yeah.
portions, we had that, but Heart Attack is my favorite genre also. So.
6 years జర్నీలో ఈ ఎనీ రీజన్, నెపోటిజం కావచ్చు, ఏదైనా రీజన్, దానివల్ల ఎప్పుడైనా ఇబ్బంది పడ్డారా? లైక్ డిడ్ యూ ఫీల్ ఎనీథింగ్ బ్యాడ్ అబౌట్ ఇట్?
No, I mean, feel bad as in about nepotism, I don't think
దానివల్ల
you can...
అంటే మీకు అవకాశాలు రాకపోవడం కావచ్చు, ఛాన్సెస్ రాకపోవడం.
Yeah, but obviously that is there. Everybody knows that. It's something that everyone knows. It goes without saying. And probably if you had a child who was, if you had a son and you could have him sit here on your seat tomorrow, why would you not allow that to happen? Of course you would. But I think if you're from a non-film background, this is for in any industry I'm talking
అంటే అది
about.
అక్కడ ఆగిపోతుంది అనుకుంటే, డూ యూ థింక్ ఇట్ స్టాప్స్ దేర్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్, లైక్ యునో పుట్టింగ్ దెమ్ దేర్ and not giving the chances to others?
That I think would be wrong is taking away someone else's
Exactly what I'm saying.
chance. Probably give an equal opportunity, but then life isn't fair. Life is never fair. All I'm saying is that if there's a race that you're running in, you can give a head start of 100 meters in a 200-meter race also to somebody else, but not allowing someone to participate in the race, I think that would be something. So for me, as long as I'm allowed to participate in the race, I'm okay giving another person even a lead of
అదే మీరు చెప్పినట్టు
Like,
వాళ్ళ పిల్లల
yeah.
వరకు వాళ్ళని తీసుకెళ్ళి అక్కడ పెట్టడం వరకు ఓకే,
Right.
యూనో అవతల వాళ్ళ ఛాన్సెస్ని తీసేసుకోవడం అనేది కరెక్ట్ కాదు కదా.
Right, but then probably if you give someone really talented from outside a chance, they would spoil the chances of them also, right? So maybe that's
Grabbing the
why
chances from them is fair.
life isn't. If only life were fair, but life isn't. But that's what teaches you to be strong and probably be really, really talented, because I think if you're very talented and you shine so brightly, there will be no choice but for people to notice you and look at you, because you're so talented. What will people do? They have to look. So for people who are from outside the industry, work on yourself and make yourself so brilliant that you don't stand in the competition at all, and you're on your own, and you know you're really, really good by.
ప్రతిసారి అది ఎవ్రీ కేసులో అది పాసిబుల్ కాదు కదా.
No, then you should work on yourself and make it possible for you, and make sure
So
that
there's
you are.
nothing
so
wrong in
brilliant.
nepotism and all.
No, there's nothing wrong and right in nepotism. Absolutely not, because nepotism exists in any field, in all over the world. The son of a milkman would give his son.
But he won't
you know,
grab some other's milk can.
Probably, yeah, you're right. That's a possibility.
There is the problem.
But
Yes.
I guess it is. But for someone, as I'm speaking as an outsider, because that's what I am in an industry, in the industry. But I feel, for me, what has always worked is, like I said, if you're really, really good, people have no choice but to, like, what do you do if someone is superior in talent, and make sure all your skills are polished so no one can find any fault in anything. I think, and then no one can stop you. How can you be stopped by anyone?
So మీ విషయంలో ఎప్పుడైనా ఇబ్బంది పడ్డారు అట్లా మీ త్రూ అవుట్ కెరీర్లో 6 yearsలో?
Of course I did. A lot of times I've been replaced from films. I've signed films and then been replaced. I've done costume trials for a film and been so sure that I'm on it and been replaced. But like I said, that just makes you really strong, and it teaches you to be, just work on yourself even harder, so that the next time, you know, I think that's the only thing you can learn from it. Or you can sit and cry and hold your head and say, but I'm not someone like that. I don't really get bitter with.
సుశాంత్ సింగ్ రాజ్పూత్ మీరు చెప్పినట్లు స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉంటే దట్ వాజ్ ఓకే, బట్ ఐ వాజ్ నాట్ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఎనఫ్ ఐ థింక్.
However, yes, as an actor, I think he was a very talented actor. I think he made really good movies. Like Dhoni is a movie that will be remembered by us always, and he was brilliant in the film. As far as nepotism that he commented on, if you're saying he did, yes, nepotism does exist in Bollywood and in all the industries around the world, not just in movies. It's just that we talk about movies, and I mean, movies are something that we all, you know, it's a part of a daily conversation. People sit on a dining table and also speak about, oh, you know, she wore this, or, you know, she's getting roles because she's sleeping with that. You know, people just throw sentences like that, and that's something that, it's dinner table conversation, or like, give me gossip, give me masala, it's that. So, I think nepotism exists everywhere, but because we speak about movies so much, it's an issue that is highlighted.
Okay. So coming to drugs and industry, so what do you say about it? What's your opinion using drugs in industry? Related.
I think if you're in the industry or not in the industry, you should not use drugs. I am someone who does not consume drugs. I would not endorse anyone else consuming drugs either. The ones consuming it, and like you said, if you're a celebrity, people around would probably see you, and yeah, so don't do drugs. Everyone watching this, do not consume drugs.
Casting couch. సో ఈ 6 years అంటే మీ త్రూ అవుట్ కెరీర్లో మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఇబ్బంది పడ్డారు, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ వాట్స్ యువర్ ఒపీనియన్ ఆన్ కాస్టింగ్ కౌచ్?
I don't sit on it, I sit on the floor. So I think that would be obvious with the kind of career I have. But no, I again, like drugs, I do not endorse for me to sit on the casting couch. However, each his own. I just think that it's really wrong that someone in power uses their power.
Misuses.
Misuses it in a way where they can get someone else to, you know, do favors for them. I think it's quite creepy, actually. But I guess if someone sees pleasure out of it, I don't know. But it's something that, I don't know if you're comfortable with it. I don't know. It's a cringe situation for me. So no, for me, I'd rather sit on the floor because I won't be able to live with myself if I know I've got a role because I've done a certain favor to someone or kept someone happy, and you know, I don't. That doesn't work for me.
Okay, asking favor is different, and forcing some people to do that is different. You know, harassing them.
If you're talking about rape,
no,
I'm
not like that.
extremely against
no,
it.
No, it's not like that. That's how this Me Too has come up, right? Hashtag
Right.
Me Too.
So Me Too is not just the casting couch. Me Too is just using So like I said, as a woman, I'm completely against someone of any gender, actually, not even just a woman, but being a woman, and because it's happening, to so many women, I think it's terrible. But what happened with the Me Too movement was. It's really nice that girls who were not popular or who were not with a name got a platform to speak about their abuses that happened to them. I think it was really nice. The media was really nice, and the media also came out in full support for them. They gave them a platform to speak. They gave them time, like a news channel would give them a breaking news headline time to speak and everything. So I think that's nice. I also think it can be, the Me Too movement can be misused, like by the women also. So then that is another story also, no? Like I just wish the women use it so that it doesn't become a frivolous thing, and no one misuses the Me Too movement like just to get revenge on someone or something like that.
నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి మీ కెరీర్లో నెక్స్ట్ ప్లానింగ్ ఏంటి, ఎట్లా ప్లాన్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు, నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఏంటి?
So I don't really plan, but as far as what's already done, I can tell you, there's Man to Man, like I told you, which is fully ready. It'll be dubbed in all languages, I'm sure, because I don't know if it gets an OTT platform, then definitely you'll get to see it in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, and it's originally shot in Hindi. There is Commando 4, of course. I done this web series called The Holiday. So there's season 2 of that, which we were supposed to shoot before the lockdown in Mexico.
చాలా ఉన్నాయి రావాల్సిన అప్కమింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ చాలా ఉన్నాయి.
Yeah, there's lots of stuff. There's 3 things in Telugu also, but I don't want to announce it yet. One thing is an experimental thing that's not been done in Telugu or in Hindi also. We're trying something really new. It's a new concept that we're going to try and figure it out, and hopefully that happens.
So comparatively, అంటే కరోనా కంటే ముందు కంటే కరోనా తర్వాతకి చాలా ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ మీ వస్తున్నాయని చెప్తారు.
Yeah, actually, if you think about it.
Ada Sharma before corona, Ada Sharma after corona.
Actually, that's kind of true.
Yeah,
there's a lot of stuff happening.
So what's the difference? What made you to, do like this?
Because I don't know, it somehow happened that during this time, I don't know if it is because the OTT platform opened or people are more open to experimenting with content, but I got offered like really different stuff that I've never been offered before. I also got offered very unique characters which are the role of the girl is like fantastic. I could not say no. So I tell everyone I'm doing this and this. I can also do this, but I have these other projects. So we'll manage dates, and everyone has been saying yeah, we'll manage dates. So whoever's saying yeah, we'll manage dates, I'm like okay. And these films are not a huge cast, so we are able to finish huge chunks of the film start to finish. So there's a lot of stuff happening now.
So Telugulo ekku chodachcha mem Ada Sharmani?
No, there's question mark. There is 3
is
other.
That question mark you are talking about?
No,
the movie question?
The question mark movie, which is our film.
Okay.
There are another 3 movies which I've said yes to verbally. 1 I've signed and 2 I've said yes to. So.
So completely 3 projects.
4 projects
in hand.
which I've said yes to, and there's more which I'm like figuring out how we'll fit all of them. I need some 90 days in January right now, but we'll figure it out.
సో ఏంటి మీ డ్రీమ్ ఏంటంటే ఇట్లాంటి పర్టికులర్ రోల్ చేయాలని ఏమన్నా ఉందా సో ఫార్ ఇప్పటి వరకు ఇట్లాంటి రోల్ చేయాలని లేదంటే ఇట్లాంటి స్టోరీ చేయాలని?
I wanted to do something with dance. That's something I had. I didn't have any other, like I want to do
Step
only
up kind
this.
of.
Some dance movie, I don't know. I want to dance, but I got to dance in this song. So little I'm getting to live what I wanted to do. I think if I say I want to work with this one or do only this kind of role, that becomes my dream. If I don't say that, I can have something much higher. Like I never thought I would, like it would never be my dream to do a movie where I play a man. I would not think also anyone would cast me in a movie like that. So it's a good thing. I would never think in my first movie I'll have black teeth and be possessed. I never had seen any horror movie till 1920, so I don't want to have any dream role. I want to just attract
take the chances.
Let other people come up with some really nice stuff and give it to me.
So what's your opinion on OTT? Like full stream nunchi, like feature film on big screen nunchi OTT loki vacham manam. What would be the future of movie? What would be the future of theatre? What's your opinion on OTT?
Watching a film in a theatre is brilliant, but now with corona times and with social distancing, I know theatres were shut. A lot of people have lost work and their jobs. So, yeah, at that time, I think OTT has also provided a lot of entertainment to people and given people something to watch at home. It's entertained millions of people. It's also given opportunities to a lot of actors and made so many people stars. So, that way, it's great. I do wish theatres open, though I don't know what's going to happen in the future. I don't know. As an entertainer, I would just hope to produce entertaining content and
Just stick to your role.
pray that it gets the best kind of release and gets the best connect and most amount of people watch it.
Thank you very much, Ada.
Thank you.
And I wish you all the best for your question mark and upcoming
Thank you so much.
projects.
Thank you.